Good morning, students. Today we will explain or solve some of the basics of combination of resistors, in which we generally solve the some numericals here. You see that particular circuit, a circuit is there in which 2 ohm resistor is here and 5 ohm resistor are here, and both are connected in a series combination. There is a 12 volt terminal is connected to that circuit, and through that the 2 ampere of current is flowing through it. Now question says, find the current and the potential difference in both of the resistors, along the two resistor and along the four resistors. What is the current and what is the potential difference we find here. As you know that this is a series combination, so it has a feature that along each of the resistors current is same. 2 ओम और 4 ओम दोनों सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन में हैं, और दोनों सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन में होने के कारण इसके मेन से जो करंट जाता है 2 एम्पियर का करंट जो पास कर रहा है वो दोनों में इक्वल है। दोनों में जैसे 2 ओम में 2 एम्पियर करंट है, तो ये भी 2 एम्पियर का करंट यहाँ भी है। तो फर्स्ट वन इज ऑलरेडी गॉट। व्हाट इज इट दैट ड्यू टू द since 2 ohm and 4 ohm resistors are connected in series combination, so current along each resistors is same. And what is the current through the main circuit? That is 2 ampere. So along 2 ohms resistor and along the 4 ohm resistors the current is same, that is 2 ampere or 2 ampere. So the current is first I is equal to 2 ampere. Now second, find the potential difference in both of the case. As you have already got along the 2 ohm resistor and along the 4 ohm resistor, you have already, we want to find the potential difference. So what is the potential difference along two? Second, potential difference along 2 ohm resistors, along 2 ohm, according to the Ohm's law. Then we have V is equal to I R1. So we want to calculate potential difference. Here is I is 2 ohm, 2 ampere, and resistor R1 is 2 ohm. So 2 ohm, if you multiply it, then you got 4 volt. So along the 2 ohm resistor the potential is 4 volts. Now we come to the second, along the 4, potential difference along 4 ohm resistors, like first one, V is equal to IR1, IR2, and here I is same 2 ampere, and ohm is, and second resistor is 4 ohm. So you can multiply, then you got 8 volt. So along the first resistor the voltage is, potential is 4, and along the second resistor, that is 4 ohm, you got 4 volt, and total volt is 12. So 4 plus 8, it becomes 12. So finally it is Correct. Now we find now we completed the first numericals here. Now we want to solve second numerical. You see there is a figure also in the right side of the whiteboard. You see that there is also a figure that is the connected in a parallel combination. 6 volt and 6 ohm and 3 ohm both are connected in a parallel combination. Here is a 12 volt and here is a current I that distributed along I1 and I2. Because it is a parallel combination, so the potential is same, but the current is distributed along the resistors. So now we find out the value of I, potential difference, and total I of the circuits. So here first we want to calculate the potential difference. As you know that this is a parallel combination, so the along each resistors potential is same, that is V is equal to 12 volts, but it is a parallel combination, so the total current is distributed along I1 and I2, like I is equal to distributed along I1 plus I2. Now we find the value of I1 and I2. I1 is the current through the 6 ohm resistor and I2 is the current through the 3 ohm resistors. You see here as Ohm's law, along 6 ohm we apply the Ohm's law, where I1 is equal to V by R1. You see here V is 12 volts, R1 is 6 ohm. So if you cancel it, then you got 2 ampere of currents. So that this I1 is a current along the 6 ohm resistance, and that is equal to 2 ampere. Now along resistor 3 ohm resistors, I2 is equal to, this is the Ohm's law, so I2 is equal to V by R2, and that is V is equal to 12 and R is equal to, R2 is equal to 3 ohm. So finally you see that it becomes, if you cancel out, 4 ampere of current. So total current here is I along the resistor 2 ampere and 4 ampere. Now third, total current is equal to V is equal to total current, total I is equal to I1 plus I2, where I is 2 ampere and I2 is 4 ampere, that equal to 6 ampere of current. So this is the B, and first here potential is same, I is I1 and I2. So finally the answer is finished here. Now to show, all of you must go through the books and do more and more problem, so you finally familiar with that concept. Thank you.